So in the menu bar, this is the menu bar. In menu bar, we are going to see all the commands in view. So and all the commands what you see here in the view, we are going to see all this, all the use of all this command. Okay. So to start with, I'll draw an object on my this blank sheet. So here I'll draw an object. Okay. Fill some color with this. In the same way, I'll draw another object, fill some other color, and I'll type some text. Okay, this is some text I have written. Okay, there are few objects on my sheet now. So in the view, we'll start with wireframe. As I click on simple wireframe, see the view changes. Okay, now this has converted all the objects on your sheet into wireframe. So this is called wireframe. The color and the fill color or the outline color, everything has disappeared, and only the object outline is been displayed here. Okay, you see the outline, this outline, that's the outline of an object. Okay, this is first object, this is second object, this is third object. Now what exactly this simple wireframe does is, I'll return to enhance mode. So what it does is, suppose I have an object here on the screen. Suppose this is an object, and what I'll do is I'll place this object on the other object. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll push this object behind this box. Okay, to do that, so here is that command, align and distribute. Okay, now this is the one order. For that, from here you can shift one object to another object. That way you can keep shifting the objects. Here see, this is the object. I want to keep this object behind this particular box. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go to arrange, in order I'll select as to back page. Okay, so the text is behind my object. Okay, this is the object, and behind that is the text. Now on the enhance view, you won't be able to see the object which is hidden behind another object. So for that, what we need to do is to view the object what is hidden behind another object. Suppose if there are multiple objects and there are multiple objects hidden behind the one object is behind the other object. So for that purpose, this command has been given, that's simple wireframe. See, in simple wireframe, you see, now you can see the object which is hidden behind another object. See, that's the object. Now you can easily select that object, select and move, so that when you return to your normal enhance mode, you can view that object. Okay, now again I will put this behind this object. Now suppose I want to select that object which is hidden behind this object. That is not possible on the enhance mode. See, if I try to click it, it is not possible. Okay, so for that, if you want to select the behind object, what you need to do is, on the enhance mode, if you want to select the object which is hidden, so for that what you need to do is, you need to understand where the object has been kept. Then you press Alt on your keyboard and try pressing on that object which is hidden. See that now that object has been selected. So this is one of the way when you are on the enhance mode, but the easiest way is just to go on this simple wireframe, and you can simply select and drag it wherever you want to. Okay, that way, that is the use of enhance simple wireframe. Now wireframe is also similar to simple wireframe. So that's the only difference is this is simple wireframe and this is wireframe. So whatever minute objects are there, that can be easily viewable that is more clearly viewed on simple wireframe, and in wireframe all these small big objects, everything can be viewed on wireframe. Both commands are similar. Okay, so next is draft. Draft is you see the view has been changed. You see there is a rough edges, what you see, that's the draft view. In text also you can see the rough. On the objects you can see the rough edges. See the rough edges, what you see, that's the draft view. Okay, now next is normal. Normal is also the same kind of command. Here also the view what you see here also is on the edges. You will see the difference on the edges. See the rough edges, what you see, that's the difference between this view. Now when you go to enhance mode, see now the edges are quite smooth actually. So that's the difference between the draft, normal and enhance. In enhance, you can view the best output of your objects. Okay, pixel is basically the image is you can see it in pixels. Okay, pixels is basically, see the edges what you see here, See the grayish color, what you see, the small boxes, what you see, that's the pixel. See, when I click on pixels, all the small boxes appear, square boxes. That is called pixels. The image has been created through pixels. On all the designing softwares, the images are being created in pixels. So this is the pixels. The small boxes, what you see, that's the pixels. So when you zoom in, you can view the pixels. Okay. Now again, if I go to enhance mode, it will return to its normal position, normal view. Okay. And simulate overprints and rationalize complex effects are commands that's basically used for high-end printing. Okay, for color separation, like CMYK, what I have been saying. If you want to separate, see the images in the color separation, or for printing purpose, when you print objects in different colors like CMYK, CN, magenta, yellow, black, or RGB, and for that purpose, this particular two commands are being used: simulate and overprints. This is basically used for printing. Okay, so now next is full screen preview. So when you click on full screen preview, you will see your entire computer screen is displayed by your CorelDRAW. Like the screen what you see on your monitor is entirely displayed, captured by CorelDRAW. So this is the full screen. See, when you click on full screen view, all the commands, the surrounding commands, the surrounding tools, everything disappears, and you can only view the page and the objects on your sheet. See, that's the full screen preview. The shortcut for which is F9.